Girlfriend left the birthday gift my parents got her unopened for a week, but she knows what's inside and my parents are waiting for a simple thank you. My girlfriend recently had a birthday and we celebrated with a small get-together at our apartment, but my girlfriend feels uncomfortable opening gifts in front of people because of the pressure and all of our friends know that, so she opened them privately that evening. 2 days later my parents' gift for her arrived. My parents are on the wealthy side of things and bought her a designer handbag she had been openly admiring the last time we visited. They had purchased the bag that weekend and had been saving it for her birthday. She responded with a thank you before she opened it and would let them know when she did. The box sat on our dresser for about 2 days before my parents sent a text wondering if she had opened it yet. I asked her when she would open the gift and she just shrugged and said soon. I was also really excited to see her open this gift because I knew that it was something she really wanted. A few more days passed and my parents checked in again about whether she had opened the gift. At this point my girlfriend came to me and asked if I could tell my parents to back off, as she was feeling too much pressure around opening the gift and it was making her not want to open it. I admit that I have never really understood this, and I told her that I didn't get why she wouldn't open it. My parents weren't there and all it would require is a thank you text at the very least to acknowledge it. To me, it was the exact same as our friends leaving the party before opening her gifts. She got really frustrated with me and said, "You just don't get how uncomfortable it makes me." About a week after the gift arrived, my parents texted me outside of our group chat and asked if she liked the bag. I told them she still had not opened the gift. They asked me if they had made her uncomfortable or if they had overstepped in any way or something. They've gotten her gifts before that have never gone over like this, so I truly did not understand why she was not opening it, and at this point I thought it was borderline rude to not open it and acknowledge the gift. She went out with her friends yesterday evening and I opened the box for her, displayed the bag on the dresser so that the pressure of opening it was removed and we could just move on. I really thought I was doing her a favor in ending this awkward situation. When she got home and saw it she was fuming at me. She said she had guessed it was the bag she had wanted, and that she felt awkward knowing it was an expensive gift and that she did not feel comfortable opening it yet. I tried to explain that she was being a bit rude putting it off, but she said it was more rude of me to open it for her. We went to bed shortly after and she was very short with me this morning. The bag is still sitting on the dresser where I left it. Am I really an a-hole here or is it valid that she's the one to blame? Update. I noticed some comments I wanted to address, and most importantly, my girlfriend and I are still together. Not once did it cross my mind that she was avoiding the gift because she wanted to break up with me. We've been together for 3 years and are in a loving relationship. I screwed up in this situation but we'll get through it. I was raised to be polite in an always send a thank you card kind of way, but my parents were in no way bombarding us with texts or harassing her over this gift. We have a group chat together and they sent a follow-up text every other day or so just wondering if she had opened it. They are definitely nosy Midwestern parents, but we both know they were not coming from a place of negativity or blame or in any way trying to pressure her into something. They were genuinely excited to have been able to provide this gift for her and they have a great relationship. Yes, my girlfriend has expressed discomfort around opening gifts before, but not in a way that indicated she doesn't like receiving them. She has told me she just hates the pressure of reacting a certain way in front of people and also thinks it can be awkward for other gift givers. Usually if someone gives her something she opens it as soon as she is in private. On her birthday I left her gift by the bed and went to get breakfast. When I came back she had opened it and was happy with it. That's why I was so confused as to why she had not opened this gift. As screwed up as it sounds, I really did think I was helping her by opening the gift for her myself. Comments have helped me realize exactly where I went wrong, but I never had the intention of manipulating her or coercing her or controlling her. I admit that I let my own desire to see her joy at the gift overshadow the true intention. When we returned home from work yesterday we sat down together to work it all out, starting with me apologizing for ruining her gift. She told me she had called my parents on her lunch break and thanked them. She told me she had a feeling they'd gotten her the bag after she'd been talking about it and was both excited and anxious about the cost. She said by the time the package arrived she had gotten her hopes up and felt guilty of potential disappointment if she opened it and it wasn't the bag, and that her anxiety around it continued to build up as it sat there. She apologized to me for not being able to communicate that clearly beforehand. I do understand this, and I know that I jumped the gun a bit. It's not the first time she has been told she has autistic or OCD tendencies, though at the moment she is unsure if she wants to move forward with getting a diagnosis.